Hey guys, so we're in the car, and as you all know, we went to Charleston in North Carolina. By the way, I just wanted to tell you guys something. Some of you might not know. If you're wondering why my lips and my tongue is pink, it's because of this place spot. But yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that. But anyway, we're driving back. Hamilton Escape File 25. As of right now, it's 4:19, and we should get back home at about 6:30, which is about like 2 hours. Yeah. And yeah, so yeah, peace. Bye.